Donald Trump had the so-called inaugural meeting of his Board of Peace this morning in Washington, D.C., before he left for Rome, Georgia. Now, this inaugural meeting of the Board of Peace, he comes out and he announces that they have raised $7 billion from other countries, and that he is pledging $10 billion of U.S. money to go toward this Board of Peace and to go toward the rebuilding of Gaza. Now, the question is how? How is he putting $10 billion in this fund? He doesn't have $10 billion of approved congressional money. All monies approved and appropriated for things have to be done through Congress. Congress has the power of the purse. So where's he getting $10 billion from? And it's ironic or coincidental, maybe, that happens to be the exact amount that he was going to try to sue the IRS for. Now, to my knowledge, that IRS settlement has not happened yet. But he thought he would be able to just settle his case with the IRS and say, well, nothing to see here, everything's all settled, and I get $10 billion. So is that where he's getting the money from? See, he says a lot of things. Now, if he does go ahead and push $10 billion into this Board of Peace and into the development of Gaza, at some point he is going to be gone. He will not be the president anymore. And when he is gone, then there's going to be people looking into everything that this administration did, where all the money went. And there is going to, at least I hope there is going to be, forensic accounting going into all of it, making sure we know what happened to all the money. And because Congress has to approve all appropriations, there could be criminal liability for anybody under Donald Trump that happened to be involved in this, in spending the money that was not approved by Congress. Now, in theory, Congress would be able to impeach Donald Trump over this if he does send $10 billion of non-appropriated money to this Board of Peace and does any of it. Problem is, the Republicans aren't at the point yet where they want to cut ties with Donald Trump. But supposedly he is sending $10 billion of taxpayer money to this Board of Peace, and he is going to be spending it to rebuild Gaza. But see, who controls any of the money with the Board of Peace? Well, that would be one Donald Trump. So does that mean there's going to be no rebuilding and this is just another grift? That wouldn't surprise me either. Donald Trump is always out to make a buck for himself, and this could just be another way of him doing that. So I don't know if he does have $10 billion going to the Board of Peace or not, but it's very fishy either way.